If I'm not mistaken, you're the kind of person who wants to know the truth about getting separated or divorced in Ontario. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. It's critical you know the 5 biggest myths about getting a divorce in Ontario. Myth number 1, you don't need a lawyer to get your divorce. In fact, one of the worst things you can do is decide not to hire an experienced family lawyer to help you with your separation or divorce. Obviously, most spouses getting separated or divorced are already facing a tremendously difficult and emotionally draining time in their life. This probably includes you. The family law issues can easily overwhelm you or anyone else. Why would you or any spouse take a chance trying to protect their legal rights without the experience and wise counsel of a respected family law and divorce lawyer in your area? Picture this situation. You're trying to negotiate a reasonable settlement with your former spouse, but your spouse just will not budge. They are locked into a very unreasonable position on an important issue in your case, such as custody of your children. What's the answer to this difficult situation? You need to get the advice of an experienced lawyer to help you deal with Ontario divorce law and how it applies to your situation. Myth number 2, you get to show how badly your spouse has treated you. Undoubtedly, getting separated divorce is probably one of the most difficult situations in anyone's life. However, family court is not the place for dealing with the emotional aspects of your separation or divorce. You should certainly get the help of a professional counselor for dealing with the difficult emotional issues in your separation. A professional counselor can guide you on the most effective ways to deal with the difficult, emotionally draining aspects of the end of your marriage or common law relationship. A family court judge will not focus on the emotional aspects of the end of your relationship. The judge will give you and your former spouse good advice and recommendations on how to settle the legal issues in your case. The judge will not listen to which spouse is at fault for the breakdown of your relationship, since this issue usually has no bearing on the legal issues in your case. An experienced family lawyer can clearly advise and guide you on the important legal issues in your case based on Ontario divorce law. Myth number 3, Ontario divorce law treats married spouses the same as people who are living together or in a common law relationship. Ontario divorce law treats married spouses differently than spouses who are living together in some important ways. For example, you're not considered to be in a common law relationship or living together with another person from a family law point of view unless you have lived with another person for 3 years or more, or you're in a permanent relationship with a person and you are the natural or adoptive parents of a child. Common law spouses cannot make what is called an equalization claim, involving an assessment of the net worth of both spouses, which married spouses can claim. Myth number 4, you need your spouse's consent or signature to get a divorce in Ontario. Many people believe you need your spouse's consent to get a divorce in Ontario. Fortunately, you do not need your spouse's approval or consent to get a divorce. Ontario divorce law only requires that a spouse completes a divorce application. Then the spouse files this divorce application at their local courthouse. Your spouse then has 30 days to respond to the divorce application after they have been served with it. Your spouse cannot challenge the divorce claim itself. Your spouse can only make a claim against you about a divorce-related issue, such as child custody and access, child support and spousal support, and property issues. When you have signed a separation agreement with your spouse, you have settled those issues, or those divorce-related issues. Therefore, your spouse cannot challenge your divorce. He or she simply will not respond to your divorce claim when you have settled all these issues in a separation agreement. After 30 days have passed, you cannot proceed with your divorce. You can proceed with your divorce by completing some additional paperwork. Myth number 5. The Ontario Divorce Court is not fair to men. The Ontario Family Court system actually does a very good job of treating both men and women fairly in divorce cases. In fact, Ontario divorce law continues to recognize the important role that both a mother and father play in the lives of their children. Fathers are increasingly having as much time with their children as the mother has with the children in their separation or divorce. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page at O'Malley Family Law. You can visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegaladvice.com or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We'd be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can get essential family law information and advice on how to protect your family law rights and settle your case at my Facebook Separation Divorce Group? Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video. Make it a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, everyone.